Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't been doing a lot of talking in my videos lately, but I'm here for you guys, and I am going to do a evening routine with me. I just got home from work with and I picked my daughter up from school, so I'm gonna take you guys along in my small little apartment and show you guys what a actually busy life look like, because I've had so much to do yesterday where I didn't even clean my place and it's a little bit messy, and I want to be vulnerable and open and honest, like, because most of my videos, my place where I'm cleaning, like my apartment, is like okay, not dirty, but now after last night I was exhausted, I wasn't feeling well, it was a late day, my daughter had gymnastics after school and stuff, and we got home pretty late, so I'm gonna just clean and show you guys, like, yeah, like what it looks like. So yeah, oh, the lighting is bad there. You can go to your room quick. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys like what a evening routine can look like, and I'm gonna show you guys my apartment and how it actually looks, because believe me, it's not in its best state right now. I'm a little bit shame, a little bit like that to show it, but yeah, I want to become a YouTuber, so I guess this is a part of the game, being open and honest with my people. And like I said, thank you guys for always showing me your love. Thank you guys for your support, and please continue to support me. And let's get into this video. So this is my room, guys, looking a bit messy, and you can see on the table there is a water glass. Yeah, dusty. I need to put stuff away and just really pick up stuff off the ground that my daughter threw it. The hallway is looking quite messy. Let me turn the lights on and just show you the reality of how it's looking. I need to put stuff away. I just throw those things there. And yeah, there is things there I need to put away these things. The bathroom, not filthy, pretty messy, and I need to clean it. Look at that over there. It fell down from the wall. Yeah, whatever, I'm just gonna do what I need to do. And this is my kitchen area. The stove top is filthy. I did some food, didn't put things away. The kitchen area, messy, nasty, seriously, look. And yeah, that's what's up. So I'm going to empty the dishwasher. My table is just not ready. Garbage over there in that bag that I need to put away. Now this is my living room area. My plants are doing well, actually. Look at my monstera. I'm excited. And there is a new one coming there. Excited for that. There's another monstera there. I have another one in the window there. I have some other plants and stuff. Living room area is not that bad. Yeah, it's quite okay. And my daughter's room, yes, filthy. Like, we didn't even open the curtains this morning. The bed needs to be made, stuff needs to be put away, and that's it. And she's going to help me. All right, Linnea, are you going to help mommy? Yes? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to get into this video, guys, and yeah, just watch along, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please tell me, why does it feel like it takes forever to clean the kitchen? I always feel like I've been cleaning my kitchen forever and ever, and it's like nonstop. I don't have like the largest apartment, so it's like, yeah, I would call my home like a tiny home, according to me. But whichever way, the goddamn kitchen takes such a long time to clean. I don't get it. Like, do I have too much stuff? Do I accumulate? I don't know, but it's like takes like forever. But I enjoy it because the end result always makes me happy. So that's a good thing. So this is a beautiful day because my daughter decided to help me clean, and she's 7 years old, so that's a big deal. Not all children at the age of 7 wants to like be cleaning with their mom and stuff like that. But my daughter likes to clean, like she likes to help mommy put stuff away. She does mess up sometimes, in the middle of our routine, but she's for the most part really good at helping, and I'm so grateful that she wants to help me. So yeah, here you can see we're just tidying up the bathroom like really quick, cleaning the mirrors because your girl can't see shit in those mirrors. I can't see my face. So yeah, we're doing that, and then we're just gonna continue to like straighten up around the rest of the house, and yeah, that's gonna be it. So like I said before in the beginning of the video, I thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. If you have not yet followed my channel, please like and subscribe and drop your girl a comment below. And I want to say a big thank you to everyone that supports me. Thank you so much, and thank you for for continuing to support me. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Until next time, bye.